Welcome to Techtopia.
Introducing the Creality Ender-5 Max, a large format, high-speed 3D printer built for makers who want serious production power without stepping into industrial-grade pricing. If you've been looking for a printer that handles big projects, batch printing, and fast manufacturing, this is a machine designed to level up your entire workflow. Product link is placed at the description below if you want to check it out for yourself. Right from the start, the Ender-5 Max stands out with its massive 400 by 400 by 400 millimeter build volume. This gives you the freedom to print full-scale models, large household items, cosplay parts, full helmets, functional prototypes, or multiple smaller prints in a single batch job. It's ideal for creators, small businesses, Etsy sellers, print farms, or anyone who wants more room to grow their ideas. What really takes this printer to another level is the speed. The Ender-5 Max pushes up to 700 millimeters per second, with a comfortable recommended speed of around 500 for top-tier quality. The combination of X-axis linear rails and powerful 42 to 76 stepper motors ensures smooth movement, consistent layers, and reliable print accuracy, even when pushing higher speeds. For anyone who values time efficiency, this dramatically cuts down long print jobs. Build quality is a major highlight. It features a rigid, full metal frame designed to reduce vibration and maintain stability during long prints or heavy models. With a 64-point automatic bed leveling system, the printer ensures a solid first layer every time, which is essential for reducing failed prints. Even at larger sizes up to 5 kilograms, it minimizes layer shifts and keeps everything aligned and uniform. Inside the extruder system, Creality uses a direct drive setup with dual tempered gears rated for 500 hours of continuous printing. This printer is built for long sessions, non-stop operation, and print farms that need reliability day and night. It supports a wide variety of materials including Hyper PLA, PLA, PETG, TPU95, ABS, ASA, PLACF, PA, and PLA Silk, giving you plenty of flexibility for functional or aesthetic printing. For those running multiple machines, the Ender-5 Max integrates with Creality Print over WLAN, allowing centralized control and management. A 10-meter tricolor status light gives real-time monitoring even from a distance, perfect for workshop environments or multi-unit setups. And with its 4.3-inch full-color touchscreen, USB and Wi-Fi file transfer support, and Creality OS smart features, it's made for streamlined operation. Everything about the Ender-5 Max focuses on speed, scale, and reliability. Whether you're an enthusiast moving into large-format printing, a business producing product for customers, or a maker building a print farm, this printer is truly built for high-output performance. If you want a powerful, stable, and fast 3D printer that can handle almost anything you throw at it, the Ender-5 Max is a solid choice. Product link is placed at the description below if you want to check it out for yourself.